Fort Smith, Arkansas. Fort Smith is the second largest city in Arkansas and one of the two county seats of Sebastian County. As of the 2010 census, the population was 86,209. With an estimated population of 88,037 in 2017, it is the principal city of the Fort Smith, Arkansas-Oklahoma Metropolitan Statistical Area, a region of 298,592 residents that encompasses the Arkansas counties of Crawford, Franklin, and Sebastian, and the Oklahoma counties of Flore and Sequoyah. Fort Smith has a sister city relationship with Cisterna, Italy, site of the World War II Battle of Cisterna, fought by United States Army Rangers commanded by Fort Smith native William O. Darby. The city also has a mutual friendship city relationship with Jining, China. Fort Smith lies on the Arkansas-Oklahoma state border, situated at the confluence of the Arkansas and Poteau rivers, also known as Bell Point. Fort Smith was established as a Western frontier military post in 1817, when it was also a center of fur trading. The city developed there. It became well known as a base for migrants settling of the Wild West and for its law enforcement heritage. In 2007, the city of Fort Smith was selected by the United States Department of the Interior as the site of the new United States Marshals Service National Museum, slated to open in 2019. History. This area was occupied for thousands of years by indigenous peoples, attracted to the advantageous site near the rivers. They used the waterways for transportation and trading, and to supply fish and water for their villages. The French claimed this area as part of their New France and La Louisiana. Some colonial fur traders traveled the Arkansas and other rivers to trade with the Native American tribes. The United States acquired this territory and large areas west of the Mississippi River from France in the Louisiana Purchase, 1803. Soon after, the government sent the Pike Expedition, 1806, to explore the areas along the Arkansas River. The U.S. founded Fort Smith in 1817 as a military post. It was named after General Thomas Adams Smith, 1781–1844, who commanded the United States Army Rifle Regiment in 1817, headquartered near St. Louis. General Smith had ordered Army topographical engineer Stephen H. Long, 1784–1864, to find a suitable site on the Arkansas River for a fort. General Smith never visited this town or the forts that bore his name. A stockade was built and occupied from 1817 until 1822 by a small troop of regulars commanded by Major William Bradford. A small settlement began forming around the fort, but the Army abandoned the first Fort Smith in 1824 and moved 80 miles further west to Fort Gibson. John Rogers, an Army sutler and land speculator, bought up former government-owned lands at this site and promoted growth of the new civilian town of Fort Smith. Some genealogists claim him as an ancestor to 20th-century Oklahoma comedian Will Rogers. Due to the strategic location of this site, the federal government re-established a military presence at Fort Smith during the 1830s era of Indian removal, primarily of tribes from the American southeast to west of the Mississippi River in Indian Territory, which is now Oklahoma. In 1838 the Army moved back into the old military post near Bell Point, and expanded the base. They used troops to escort Choctaw and Cherokee, from their ancestral homelands in the southeast. They were the last of the tribes to leave. Remnants of the 5 civilized tribes remained in the southeast, and their descendants in some cases have reorganized and been federally recognized. The Cherokee called the forced march the Trail of Tears, as many of their people and African American slaves died along the way. The Army enforced the removal of these peoples to the reserved Indian Territory, where the federal government granted them land. Many displaced Native Americans fell out of the march and settled in Fort Smith and adjoining Van Buren, Arkansas on the other side of the river. The U.S. Army also used Fort Smith as a base during the Mexican War, 1846–1848. As a result, the U.S. acquired large territories in the Southwest, and later annexed the Republic of Texas, which had been independent for some years. Sebastian County was formed in 1851, separated from Crawford County north of the Arkansas River. In 1858, Fort Smith was designated as a division center of the Butterfield Overland Mail's 7th Division route across Indian Territory from Fort Smith to Texas, and as a junction with the mail route from Memphis, Tennessee, an important port on the east side of the Mississippi River. During the early years of the U.S. Civil War, the fort was occupied by the Confederate Army. Union troops under General Steele took control of Fort Smith on September 1, 1863. A small fight occurred there on July 31, 1864, but the Union Army maintained command in the area until the war ended in 1865. As a result, many refugee slaves, orphans, Southern Unionists, and others came here to escape the guerrilla warfare raging in Arkansas, Missouri, and the border states. The slaves were freed under the Emancipation Proclamation of January 1863 by President Abraham Lincoln. Federal troops abandoned the post of Fort Smith for the last time in 1871. The town continued to thrive despite the absence of federal troops. Two of Fort Smith's most notable historic figures were Judge Isaac Parker and William Henry Harrison Clayton, also known as W.H.H. Clayton. In 1874, William Henry Harrison Clayton was appointed United States Attorney for the Western District of Arkansas by President Ulysses S. Grant. Fort Smith was a bustling community full of brothels, saloons, and outlaws, just across the river from Indian Territory. William Clayton realized a strong judge would be necessary to bring law and order to the region. He knew that Isaac Parker was a strong judge. But Judge Parker had been appointed Chief Justice of Utah Territory and confirmed by the U.S. Senate. With the help of President Grant and U.S. Senator Powell Clayton, former governor of Arkansas, William Clayton was able to gain the appointment of Judge Parker in the Fort Smith District. Judge Isaac Parker served as U.S. District Judge 1875-1896. He was nicknamed the Hanging Judge. In his first term after assuming his post, he tried 18 people for murder, convicted 15 of them, and sentenced 8 of those to die. 6 of these men were later hanged on the same day. Over the course of his career in Fort Smith, Parker sentenced 160 people to death. Of those, 79 were executed on the gallows. His courthouse is now marked as a National Historic Site, where more men were put to death by the U.S. government than in any other place in American history. William Clayton served as U.S. Attorney under 4 different presidents and later was appointed as Chief Justice of Indian Territory. He was instrumental in achieving statehood for Oklahoma in 1907, after Native American claims were extinguished by distribution of communal lands under the Dawes Act and the breakup of tribal governments. Together with Territorial Governor Frank Frantz, Clayton took a copy of the Oklahoma Constitution to President Theodore Roosevelt after the state was admitted to the Union in 1907. Governor Frantz and Judge Clayton both lost their territorial positions when Oklahoma became a state. A new governor was elected and the Roosevelt administration appointed a new judge. During investment in the military prior to World War II, the Army returned to Fort Smith in 1941. It established the Fort Chaffee Military Reservation east of the city. On April 21, 1996, a large tornado, part of the April 1996 tornado outbreak sequence, destroyed and heavily damaged much of historic downtown Fort Smith around the Garrison Avenue Bridge. The storm tracked from eastern Pittsburgh County, Oklahoma into Fort Smith and Van Buren, Arkansas. The tornado left 4 people dead in western Arkansas. Days later, the damaged Eads Brothers Furniture Building in downtown Fort Smith was destroyed by one of the largest fires in the city's history. Geography. Fort Smith is located at 35°227 and 94°2355 W/35.36861° and 94.39861° W/35.36861, minus 94.39861, 35.36861, 94.39837. According to the United States Census Bureau, the city has a total area of 64.6 square miles, 167 square kilometers, of which 61.7 square miles, 160 square kilometers, is land and 3.9 square miles, 10 square kilometers, 6.3%, is water. Climate. Fort Smith has generally mild winters and hot, humid summers. The monthly mean temperature ranges from 39.4 degrees Fahrenheit, 4.1 degrees Celsius, in January to 82.3 degrees Fahrenheit, 27.9 degrees Celsius, in July. On average, the high stays at or below freezing on 5 days, reaches 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Celsius, on 74.7 days, and 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius, on October 7 days annually. The average first and last occurrences for freezing temperatures are November 5 and March 29, respectively. Extreme temperatures range from 15 degrees F, 26 degrees C, on February 12, 1899 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, 46 degrees Celsius, on August 3, 2011. Fort Smith is situated near an area known as Tornado Alley in the central United States. The city has been struck by 3 major tornadoes, which occurred in the years of 1898, 1927, and 1996. Demographics. As of the census of 2010, there were 86,209 people, 34,352 households, and 21,367 families residing in the city. The population density was 1,391.2 people per square mile, 537.2/km superscript 2. There were 37,899 housing units at an average density of 612.3 per square mile, 236.4/km superscript 2. The racial makeup of the city was 69.3% white, 9.0% black or African American, 1.8% Native American, 5.3% Asian, 2.2% Vietnamese, 1.7% Laotian, 0.3% Asian Indian, 0.2% Filipino, 0.1% Korean, 0.1% Chinese, 0.1% Hmong, 0.1% Pakistani, 0.1% Pacific Islander, 10.3% from other races, and 4.2% from 2 or more races. 16.5% of the population were Hispanic or Latino of any race, 11.6% Mexican, 2.2% Salvadoran, 0.4% Guatemalan, 0.3% Puerto Rican, 0.2% Honduran, 0.1% Cuban, 0.1% Peruvian, 0.1% Colombian. In language, Fort Smith has more than 10 Asian languages spoken by more than 2% of the population. Also, the increase in immigration from Latin American countries in the late 20th century increased the number of residents who speak Spanish. 7.10% reported speaking Spanish at home, while 3.38% speak Vietnamese and Lao, and 2.50% speak Tagalog. In 2000 there were 32,398 households, of which 30.8% have children under the age of 18 living with them, 47.1% were married couples living together, 12.3% had a female householder with no husband present, and 36.3% were non-families. 30.7% of all households were made up of individuals and 10.9% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.42 and the average family size was 3.03. In the city, the population was spread out with 25.4% under the age of 18, 9.8% from 18 to 24, 29.3% from 25 to 44, 21.8% from 45 to 64, and 13.7% who were 65 years of age or older. The median age was 35 years. For every 100 females, there were 94.1 males. For every 100 females age 18 and over, there were 91.0 males. The median income for a household in the city was $32,157, and the median income for a family was $41,012. Males had a median income of $29,799 versus $22,276 for females. The per capita income for the city was $18,994. About 12.1% of families and 15.8% of the population were below the poverty line, including 22.2% of those under age 18 and 9.6% of those age 65 or over. Economy. Fort Smith has long been a regional manufacturing center, with major plants located in the city operated by Rheem, Trane, Georgia-Pacific, Gerber, Planters Peanuts, Mars Petcare, Domerex USA, Graphic Packaging, Pernod Ricard USA, and many others. Fort Smith is home to several corporations including Balder Electric Company, a member of the ABB Group, ArcBest Corporation, and poultry company OK Foods. According to the city's 2011 Comprehensive Annual Financial Report, the top employers in the city are Culture. Various movies have been shot in Fort Smith, including A Soldier's Story, 1984, and Biloxi Blues, 1988. Museums. Music. Fort Smith has an active music scene. There are frequent live performances in the downtown area by local and national jazz, blues, country, and rock bands. Local bands regularly frequent the riverfront area, highlighting the River Valley's finest. Attractions. As the largest city in western Arkansas, Fort Smith offers many activities and attractions. Fort Smith's theaters and event venues regularly host major concerts and touring theater companies. Event venues. Shopping. Fort Smith is the main shopping destination of western Arkansas and eastern Oklahoma. Central Mall is the state's largest indoor shopping center in terms of area. Retailers in the city include Dillard's, J.C. Penney, Walmart, Target, Best Buy, The Home Depot, Lowe's, and Kohl's. Several smaller and niche retailers also can be found throughout the city as well. Some notable shopping locations in the city of Fort Smith are landmarks, annual attractions, recreation and sports. In addition to sports teams sponsored by the schools and UA Fort Smith has several independent recreational sports programs administered by local organizations. Education. Post-secondary education. The city has one major university that is part of the University of Arkansas system. The University of Arkansas at Fort Smith was founded in 1928 as an extension of the Fort Smith public school system, with the superintendent, James William Ramsey, acting as the college president and the high school principal as dean. Known originally as Fort Smith Junior College, the institution operated within the Fort Smith public school system until 1950, when the school was incorporated as a private, non-profit institution with its own governing board. In September 1952, the college moved from borrowed facilities in the high school to its current site, initially occupying 15 acres, 6.07 ha. During the private college era, enrollment increased, as did course offerings, the number of faculty, and facilities. A vocational technical division was added in 1960. During this period, the college began developing the programs and character of a comprehensive community college, a new concept in Arkansas and across the nation. In the fall of 1965, the Sebastian County electorate approved the creation of the Sebastian County Community Junior College District, along with a tax levy on the real and personal property of the county. The governor appointed a board of trustees, and the school again became a public institution. In 1966, the institution's name was changed from Fort Smith Junior College to West Ark Junior College, and in 1972, it was renamed West Ark Community College, indicating the larger area to be served and reflecting the more comprehensive mission. Throughout the 1980s and early 1990s, the college developed and made changes within the context of its mission as a two-year institution. A significant development in 1989 was the establishment of a university center. 5 state universities partnered with the institution to offer 6 bachelor's and 7 master's degree programs on campus. Between 1989 and 2002, 1,788 students graduated with bachelor's degrees through the University Center. In 1997, the Arkansas legislature passed an act granting WestArk the authority to offer in its own right up to 9 applied bachelor's degrees, developed in response to identified needs of the industries in the area served. The name of the college was changed yet again in February 1998 to WestArk College, more accurately portraying the role and scope of the institution. On December 15, 2000, the Board of Trustees of WestArk College entered into an agreement with the Board of Trustees of the University of Arkansas to merge with the University of Arkansas system as a 4-year institution. In 2001, the Sebastian County electorate voted to support the merger. A formal request to change affiliation status to that of a bachelor's degree granting institution under the name of the University of Arkansas at Fort Smith was submitted to the Higher Learning Commission in August 2001 and approved by the Institutional Actions Council on November 19, 2001. The merger, which became official on January 1, 2002, endorsed the concept of UA Fort Smith as a unique university, one that offers applied and traditional baccalaureate degree programs, 1- and 2-year associate and technical programs, and non-credit business and industry training programs. While the University of Arkansas at Fort Smith is the city's only state-supported institution of higher learning, Webster University and John Brown University each have a satellite campus located in the city. The Arkansas College of Osteopathic Medicine, a private, non-profit institution, welcomed its inaugural class in August 2017. Graduates of ARCOM will receive the Doctor of Osteopathic Medicine, DO, degree. Elementary and secondary education. The public schools in Fort Smith and Barling are operated by the Fort Smith School District. Currently, the district includes 26 schools. As of the 2009-2010 school year, the district has enrollment of more than 14,010. It has 2 high schools, 4 junior high schools, 19 elementary schools, and 1 alternative learning center. Fort Smith Public Schools provide education from kindergarten through the 12th grade, as do some private Protestant schools. Catholic parochial schools offer education through the 9th grade. Junior high schools in Fort Smith include Chaffin Junior High School, Ramsey Junior High School, Kimmons Junior High School and Darby Junior High School. Private schools covering the same grade range include Trinity Catholic Junior High School and Union Christian Academy. High schools in Fort Smith include the public Northside High School and Southside High School, along with the private Union Christian Academy. Fort Smith previously had a Catholic grade school for black children, St. John the Baptist School. It closed in 1968. Media. Print. The Southwest Times Record is the largest newspaper in the city, as well as the region. It is owned by Stevens Media LLC. The Hispanos Unidos is the only Spanish-language publication in the region. Other publications in the Fort Smith area include Entertainment Fort Smith and Due South Magazine. Radio. AM radio stations in the Fort Smith area include. FM radio stations in the Fort Smith area include. Television. Television stations in the Fort Smith area include. Infrastructure. Transportation. Fort Smith is a major transportation hub for the surrounding region. It sits at the crossroads of 2 major interstate highways, is surrounded on 3 sides by the Arkansas River, is served by 1 major and 2 regional/switching railroad companies, and is the home of a regional airport. The city sits just southwest of the intersection of Interstate 40 and future Interstate 49 when it extends southward to meet Interstate 30 in Texarkana, Texas. US 71 and US 64 also run through the community. Fort Smith is served by the Fort Smith Regional Airport, FSM, which is used for military aviation for Fort Chaffee and home of the 188th Fighter Wing of the Arkansas Air National Guard, but is also served by 2 commercial airlines with flights to Dallas/Fort Worth and Atlanta. Jefferson Line's bus service also links Fort Smith to other communities such as Little Rock, Kansas City, and Oklahoma City, as well as intermediate points, with numerous connections to other cities and towns. The city is located on the Arkansas River, part of the McClellan-Kerr navigation system, and is served by the port of Fort Smith. Fort Smith is served by the Kansas City Southern Railway from a branch connection on the main line at Poto, Oklahoma, and affords connections to other railroads at Kansas City, Missouri, and at New Orleans, Louisiana. In addition, the Regional Railroad Company, the Arkansas and Missouri Railroad, directly serves Fort Smith and provides connections through the St. Louis, Missouri, and Memphis gateways to the east. The Fort Smith Railroad provides local switching service to a variety of businesses, as well as providing haulage for the Union Pacific Railway, with which it connects at Van Buren, Arkansas. At this time, there is no direct passenger service from Amtrak. The closest point for such service is Little Rock. Within the city, public bus service is provided by the Fort Smith Transit, FST. As of January 2015, FST operates 6 fixed routes, as well as paratransit service for disabled persons and demand buses. A trolley replica bus operates in the downtown area, providing transportation between the Belle Grove Historic District and the Fort Smith National Historic Site. The Fort Smith Trolley Museum operates genuine trolleys, but as a historic attraction, rather than as transportation. Utilities. Fort Smith uses 2 water treatment plants, WTPs, for its drinking water, one near Lake Fort Smith in Mountain Big and one on Lee Creek. Healthcare. Hospitals in the Fort Smith area include accolades. Notable people. Notable figures who were born in, lived in, or are otherwise associated with Fort Smith. Athletes. Actors, musicians, and media. Politicians, statesmen, legislators, lawyers, judges. Other. Sister cities.